Is Novo your new local bank? Let's dive in. Ever felt like traditional banks just don't get the hustle of running a small business? Piles of paperwork, hidden fees, and endless hold times. It's enough to make any entrepreneur want to tear their hair out. That's where challenger banks like Novo come in, promising a sleek, tech-driven approach to business banking. But here's the thing, when you ditch the brick-and-mortar experience, is a bank like Novo truly local? Can it replace that friendly neighborhood banker you used to rely on? Let's unpack this question and see if Novo can become your new financial partner in crime. Hold on, Novo isn't actually a bank? Whoa, plot twist. Before we dissect the local aspect, there's a key detail to understand. Novo isn't technically a bank itself. It's a fintech company, essentially a financial technology platform that provides online business banking services. Here's the breakdown. Novo partners with actual FDIC-insured banks, in their case, Middlesex Federal Savings, to handle the nitty-gritty of account security and transactions. Novo builds the user-friendly interface, the mobile app, and all those cool features that make managing your business finances a breeze. So, where's the local touch? Alright, now that we've established Novo isn't your classic local bank, does it mean you miss out on that personalized touch? Not necessarily. Here's why. Digital doesn't mean distant. Let's face it, most banking these days happens online or through mobile apps. Novo leverages that convenience by offering exceptional customer support through chat and email. You get quick responses from real people, eliminating the frustration of endless phone menus. Community focus. Many fintech companies, including Novo, prioritize building online communities for their users. Forums and social media groups allow you to connect with other small business owners, share experiences, and get advice, a virtual version of that local coffee shop chat with fellow entrepreneurs. Location independence, running a business online or on the go. Novo's mobile app lets you manage your finances from anywhere. No more scrambling to get to the bank before closing, a massive perk for today's geographically independent businesses. But there's a flip side to the coin. While Novo offers a strong digital experience, some might miss the in-person aspect of local banking. Here's what you might be giving up. Face-to-face problem solving. Complex financial situations sometimes require a sit-down conversation with a banker who understands your specific needs. Novo's digital support, while good, might not replace that personalized in-person guidance. Building relationships. Having a local banker you know by name can be invaluable. They can become familiar with your business, advocate for you when needed, and potentially offer better loan options down the line. The verdict: Novo local or not so local? Novo isn't your traditional local bank, but it doesn't have to be. It offers a fantastic alternative for entrepreneurs who value convenience, a user-friendly interface, and a focus on the digital world. Ultimately, the decision depends on your specific needs. If you crave face-to-face interactions and relationship building with a local banker, Novo might not be the perfect fit. But if you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur who prioritizes a streamlined digital experience, Novo could be your ideal financial partner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.